Hello and welcome back to Czech with Hannah. In this video, we will learn how to conjugate verbs ending in it or et. The conjugation of the verbs ending in it or et is less regular than the other groups, and there are several exceptions and subgroups. In this video, I will focus mainly on the most common types. Let's look at some of the verbs in this group. Prosit, prosit, to ask or to request politely. Mluvit, mluvit, to speak. Vařit, vařit, to cook or to boil. Vidět, vidět, to see. Běžet, běžet, to run. And the last one, slyšet, slyšet, to hear. Many of the verbs ending in it and et conjugate in the same way. For example, the verb prosit, to ask politely. Já prosím, já prosím. Ty prosíš, ty prosíš. On, ona prosí, ona prosí. My prosíme, my prosíme. Vy prosíte, vy prosíte. Oni prosí, oni prosím. Prosím is used to say please. So how would you conjugate the verb mluvit, to speak? First, take the ending it and then replace it with the endings that you can see on the left side. And the conjugation would be as follows. Já mluvím, ty mluvíš, ty mluvíš. On, ona mluví, ona mluví. My mluvíme, my mluvíme. Vy mluvíte, vy mluvíte. And oni mluví, oni mluví. Here are the endings one more time for you. Try conjugating the verbs on the right side. The verb vařit, to cook or to boil. Vidět, to see. Běžet, to run. And the last one, slyšet, to hear. Feel free to pause the slide if you need more time to practice your conjugating. You will see the results on the next slide. And here is the solution for you. As you know, in Czech, you do not need to use the pronouns in front of the conjugated verb. For the verb vařit, the solution is vařím, vaříš, vaří, vaříme, vaříte, and vaří. For the verb vidět, vidím, vidíš, vidí, vidíme, vidíte, and vidí. The verb běžet, běžím, běžíš, běží, běžíme, běžíte, běží. And the last one, the verb slyšet, slyším, slyšíš, slyší, slyšíme, slyšíte, and slyší. Here are some more verbs ending in it or et that conjugate in a similar way. Cítit, cítit, to feel. Sedět, sedět, to sit or to sit down. Držet, držet, to hold. Věřit, věřit, to believe. Chodit, chodit, to walk, to go, or to attend something. Ležet, ležet, to lay down. Let's practice together, conjugating the given verbs. I will leave the conjugation on the side for you to make it easier. And I will give you the verb in infinitive. So, how would you say I feel with the verb cítit? Já cítím. Já cítím. I feel. How would you say you don't believe? The plural or polite version. And the verb in infinitive is věřit. Vy nevěříte. Vy nevěříte. You don't believe. And how would you say you walk or you go? With the verb chodit. Chodit. Ty chodíš. Ty chodíš. You walk or you go. And another one, how would you say she sits? And the verb in infinitive is sedět. Ona sedí. Ona sedí. And how would you say he is lying down? And the verb in Czech is ležet. On leží. On leží. He's lying down. And how would you say I am not lying down? With the same verb, ležet. Já neležím. Já neležím. I am not lying down. And another one, how would you say they are holding? And the verb in Czech is držet. And the answer is oni drží. Oni drží. They are holding. There is a small subgroup of verbs that in the last person have a different conjugation. As you can see in the plural at the end, it is not just long soft E, but there is AE at the end. For example, the verb sázet, to plant. The conjugation is as follows. Já sázím, ty sázíš, on, ona sází, my sázíme, vy sázíte, and here's the change, oni sázejí. Oni sázejí. And here are some more verbs in this subgroup. Bydlet, bydlet, to live at a place or to reside somewhere. Rozumět, rozumět, to understand. Umět, umět, to know how. With some verbs, it is possible to use both endings for the last person of plural. And even Czechs sometimes do not always agree which one is the correct one. So don't worry too much. Another thing, if the verb ends like the verb umět in Czech, there is E at the end that has that little hook. That hook will be preserved in the last person. So when you say oni umějí, they know how, the little hook will be preserved in the conjugation. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. Děkuju moc. If you have any question regarding the conjugation, please leave a comment. Thank you. Have a lovely day. Naschledanou.